Meaning of deviation.
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 Deviation. Deviation refers to the difference or divergence from a standard or expected value. In fields such as statistics, it is commonly used to describe the extent to which data points vary from the average or mean of those data points. Deviation can be positive or negative and is measured in units of standard deviation. A higher deviation indicates greater variability and vice versa. Deviation is a useful concept for understanding the spread and distribution of datasets and can be used to inform decision-making in many fields, such as finance, engineering, and science.